Magandang hapon po ng September 10, 2024 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng September 10, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, September 10, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later' for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for September 10, 2024, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 154 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 45 million pesos, and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 5.9 million pesos for Tuesday, September 10, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for September 10, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.